Immediately before the mission, the photography officer asked then Staff Sergeant Karen to carry a handheld Fairchild K-20 camera. Technical Sergeant George Robert Karen, born on October 31, 1919, was the tail gunner and the lone gunner among the 12 crewmen aboard the B-29 Enola Gay during the bombing of Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. With eyes glued to the rear of the aircraft, he had a front-row seat to history, becoming the first airborne witness to the infamous mushroom cloud that forever marked the Japanese city. Karen was also the only photographer aboard and took photographs as the mushroom cloud rose.